Hello, my name is Robert. I'm a tax attorney, and I'm going to explain to you FTB debt collection and how it works. Basically, how California can take your money. Here's the steps the FTB takes to collect on a debt. And I put debt in quotations because sometimes they are not correct. First, they create a tax return if you do not file one and they think you should have. And it's faster than the IRS does, most of the time. So they call this a substitute for return at the IRS. California is basically doing the same thing. They're taking information and creating a tax return for you. The problem is sometimes a tax return should not be created for you. And here's an example of that. I actually moved to Nevada and I'm licensed in California. Because I had a license in California, California sent me a bill and said, you owe this much money. Then I proved that I moved and they wiped out the bill. They send out notices often going to old addresses. So sometimes they don't get your new address. Sometimes you never get the documentation. And then they levy bank accounts, they can find link to you, and they garnish wages at your employer if they can find it. FTB collects on people out of state. A lot of states seem to miss collecting on people when they move out. The California Franchise Tax Board often finds people out of state hitting their bank accounts and their new job. Sometimes the FTB is wrong too. One client had not lived in California and was out of the country completely. The FTB made up a return for them, collected from their bank account, but they had been living and working in another country with no intention of coming back to California. We were able to get it all reversed and closed out. Get a free detailed tax case evaluation. Call us at 888-515-4TAX, that's 888-515-4829, or go to trp.tax/start. If we cannot help you, we'll tell you. No false promises for settlements, and we only submit settlements that have a good shot at acceptance. If you're going it alone, check out our free tax help guide by searching TRP Tax Help Guide on Google. Need a question answered? Comment on our YouTube videos and a tax attorney will answer. Thanks for watching and have a great week.